WINSTA MIDI, the product family with the most possibilities. WINSTA MIDI is the foundation of the WINSTA system and offers solutions for nearly all the demands of modern building installation. From the main distribution system, with a multitude of different circuits, to various types of distribution, with sophisticated and flexible components, to the consumer loads. Building installation with WAGO. Quality using WINSTA MIDI. Fast, safe and flexible. Safety guarantees the system with solutions beyond compare. Various forms of coating ensure 100% protection against mismating. Moreover, all components provide secure touch protection, not only for sockets, but also for plugs. Speed secures the system with pre-assembled and quality-tested products. Time-consuming labor, such as preparing and connecting cables, is thus avoided. To allow cables to be self-assembled simply and quickly, all components are also equipped with the screwless Cage Clamp S spring clamp connector by WAGO. Flexibility guarantees WINSTA MIDI not solely with its enormous product variety. Installations with WINSTA MIDI adjust quickly and simply to new or modified demands. Existing cables continue to be used, and new cables are supplemented by fast plugging. In the case of emerging load changes, a constant phase balance is ensured through simple phase selection. WINSTA MIDI is suitable for conductor cross-sections up to 4 square millimeters. Current carrying capacity is 25 amps. The technical data is, of course, shown on all WINSTA MIDI components. Furthermore, the pole marking can be printed according to the customer's specifications. Self-adhesive labels, or the WAGO WSB quick marking system, provide for additional individual circuit labels. The system provides maximum convenience even during testing. Each connection can be tested when plugged in. Energy distribution using WINSTA MIDI occurs in various ways. Aside from the many distribution board blocks, there are distribution boxes for the standard requirements of single-pole switch, two-way or series circuits. Distribution boxes assembled at the factory according to customer specifications allow for more complex switching and distribution tasks to be accomplished. The WINSTA N Ocean box is available for utilizing radio technology. For quick and individual on-site distribution, plugs and sockets are also equipped with a dual connection to enable looping without distribution components. The WINSTA snap-in type connectors are used for convenient integration of consumer loads in the installation. WAGO type security guarantees the automatic connection of the protective earth circuit with the box. For consumer loads with an integrated PCB, plugs and sockets are also available as an alternative to soldering. Handling WINSTA MIDI is fast, safe and simple. After the strain relief housing has been pushed over the cable, the conductors are connected to the connectors. If the conductors are fine-stranded, the clamping point is opened with a screwdriver. Solid conductors can be inserted directly without requiring tools. The strain relief housing is latched together and the screw is tightened. All products which must be securely installed are factory equipped with locking levers so that the plugs and sockets are always locked. Additional locking levers are only required for flying leads. WINSTA MIDI, the product family with the most possibilities.